Hey, welcome to How to Write Better Bullets with me, Mike Giannoulis from copywriterbrain.com. This video is going to be really extremely fun because we're going to talk about my favorite subject, bullets. In case you're concerned, I'm not talking about gun bullets. I'm talking about copywriting bullets. And if you're here, hopefully you already know that. If you're here for that other reason, then you probably should go. This is not the spot for you, but I want to talk about how do you write bullets that just pack a punch and really help to sell your product or service. Bullets are amazing at getting people's attention and keeping it. Before we begin, I want to give a major shout out to the late Clayton Makepeace. He taught me so much about bullets that I could never even teach it now without it coming from him. He was the best. What a great guy. And so Clayton, God rest your soul, thank you for the teaching and the training that you've provided me and probably at this point hundreds of thousands of other people. So what are bullets? They're lines of text that are usually no more than one sentence, maybe two, and they're called bullets because they come with like the little bullet point. They're kind of like bits of text. I think it's also kind of cool that we call them bullets because in a way, they're also like single shots that could fire at your prospect to help make the sale. All right, so where do they go? Well, they go anywhere in a sales page, especially a longer form sales page, where you want to go over the benefits or the pain points that the product helps solve. So you can talk about all these amazing benefits, or you can reiterate all the terrible pain points that your prospect may be going through that your product will help solve. All right, so why are bullet points important? Like, why do you even need them? Does it make sense? Well, there's a few good reasons why you definitely want to use bullet points. The first one is it really creates curiosity if you write those types. All right, curiosity is such an amazing thing. It really helps people to continue watching or continue reading. So you want that. Bullets can also create desire. And desire is such an important thing. You need desire if you're going to ever make a sale. Desire speaks to emotion. It speaks to want. It speaks to wanting more. It speaks to wanting to solve a problem. If you don't trigger desire, then the odds of you making a sale are pretty much zero. The other thing that bullet points do is they keep you reading because they're interesting. They're exciting. They're kind of like, well, this is neat. And they're easy to read. They're just boom, 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 boom. You keep reading as you go. Two more things that I love bullets for. One is that they really can help grab attention. If you write a longer form sales page, people will begin to scroll. They'll scroll around, they'll skim, and they may not stay and read what you want. But here's a cool thing. People almost always read bullet points because they're easy to read. They stand out. They're not these long blocks of text. They're more shorter and they just read easy. And because each one is independent, you don't have to even read them all to get the main point. That's why you want to use bullet points whenever you can. And one other cool thing is as you sit down and write bullet points out, you'll often find that sometimes they can make great headlines. So I would like to suggest to you, the next time you're going to write copy, sit down and write 50, 100, 200 bullet points. And I know that sounds crazy, but if you do it, you'll be amazed at the quality that you'll get. You can pick through and choose your favorite ones. And also you'll find ways that you can actually convert some of those into headlines or sub headlines that can be used throughout the entire sales piece. All right, so bullet points, how do you write them? What do you do? I'm going to go through 5 different types of killer bullets that you can use right now to make your copy way better. Let's do it. All right. Number 1 is the how-to bullet. how to make more money this year, no matter what you did in previous years. How to shed more fat than you ever thought humanly possible. So it's just how to benefit. What's the benefit that people want? The how-tos are incredible. You want to make sure you have at least probably 5 or 6 of these. How to get pearly white teeth without going to the dentist. Oh, wow. So that's interesting. You can add a how to get something without the negative trade-off. Those work extremely, extremely well. The secret bullet. I love secret bullets. Okay, so this is similar to the how-to because you want to show them how they're going to achieve something, but you want them to understand that there's a secret there. And again, some people get mad at the word secret. I justify it by saying, look, a secret is just something that you don't know. It doesn't mean it hasn't ever been discussed before. It just means it's something that you might not know yet. That's all it takes to be a secret. So you would say something like, the secret to burning fat only known by the Hollywood elite. Okay, that one's easy. Let's see, I'm coming up with these off the top of my head. So the secret to winning poker, no matter if you're brand new or not. Okay, that one's not that great. But again, you wanted to, again, say the secret to achieving something. And if you want to add on to that, you could still throw in the without. So the secret to achieving benefit without the pain point. The next bullet, one of my favorite ones, is the right wrong bullet. Okay, so this one is you say something that seems blatantly obvious, and then you show how that is completely wrong. Here's one that I wrote. Cardio is the secret to weight loss, right? Wrong. Find out why cardio may be making you fat. Interesting, right? So make a statement that seems obvious and then show how that's completely, absolutely wrong. Like, the secret to financial success is spending less, right? Wrong. While you can never save your way to wealth. You'll see that the key to all bullet point writing is that curiosity. What's that hook? You want to know why, and you can see that it slowly builds up to create desire, and that's what you want. Another bullet point that I love to use is the unique named bullet. This is so easy to do and is often overlooked. What you'll find is this again helps to create curiosity. So instead of just saying the method I use to clean my bathtub faster, okay, that sounds blah. But what if you said something like the toothbrush trick I use to clean my bathtub faster? So now it's at least a little more interesting. Or if I were to say how I use the ring method to create better videos. Again, we're naming something. We're taking a strategy, a process, whatever is part of the course, and we're just giving it a unique name. And it works every time because you're creating curiosity, because now you want to know, what's the ring method? What is that, right? So those work extremely well. The fifth and final, and probably my most favorite one of all of them, and that is the quick and easy bullet. Okay, there's 2 types here. So you could use quick or easy, or you could do quick and easy. But this is what people want. People want stuff that's fast, and they want stuff that's easy. They don't want things that are hard. They don't want things that take forever. This doesn't mean it has to be quick and easy. It means it has to be quicker or easier with your process, your product, your system, right? That's the big key. So what do we do here? How do we write these? Very simple. The quick and easy way to shed fat, or the quick and easy way to burn fat. The quick and easy way to increase your income without having to take on a second job. The fastest way yet devised to plan a vacation. The easiest way possible to record a video from your house that gets seen by millions of people. Again, quick and easy, quick and easy. Those work every single time. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. We went over 5 different bullet points that you can use, and we also talked about why they're important, and we gave a huge shout out to the late Clayton Makepeace. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, tell me what your favorite bullet type is. That would be super cool. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again. For more stuff like this, go to copywriterbrain.com. I would love to see you there.